Against the backdrop of a 5-year wait and an ailing heart, Ayesha Rashan's story unfolds as a testament to resilience and the power of medical intervention. The story revolves around Ayesha Rashan, a 19-year-old from Pakistan who underwent a life-saving heart transplant surgery in India after waiting for 5 years with an ailing heart. The surgery, performed by doctors from Chennai-based MGM Healthcare, utilized the heart of a 69-year-old brain-dead patient flown in from a hospital in Delhi. With funds from various sources including NGO Aishwarya Trust, former patients and doctors, Ayesha's family settled the hefty hospital bill. Ayesha expressed her gratitude, stating her plans to resume schooling in Karachi and pursue a career as a fashion designer. Her journey began in 2019 when she experienced a cardiac arrest leading to heart failure and subsequently received a left ventricular assist device as a bridge to transplant. Despite financial constraints, Ayesha's family persisted, eventually receiving the life-saving call in January 2024. Dr. K.R. Balakrishnan, a senior cardiac surgeon, emphasized the critical nature of the surgery, underscoring the decision to proceed despite the donor heart's age. The successful procedure offers Ayesha a new lease on life, marking the culmination of a challenging medical journey.